And we're back.
And we're back. And we have another hot new vehicle tempting Mr. Willie Doo because he doesn't have enough problems with vehicles already.
Mm-hmm. Somebody in the chat just sent this one.
How about the
werewolf? Shout out.
Toyota Compact Cruiser EV.
Look at this thing.
Electric off-roader. What? This is your dream come true. What?
Dude, this looks like some
Toyota.
sort of like Hot Wheels envisioning of like a cool car. And they made it.
Big skid plate on the front for real off-roading. So are these renders or is this an actual thing? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Looks real.
Let's see here. The last time, so they unveiled it. I never knew about this. So this was unveiled in December 2021 alongside a host of other Toyota EV concepts. The Compact Cruiser EV just won the 2022 Car Design Award for concept vehicles, one of the most prestigious prizes in the industry. And it spurred Toyota to release a little more background on this little electric SUV. So these are still renders, or I don't know, man. Those photos look real.
They're just getting
Look at the integrated roof rack. I think they put a snowboard on top for Willie Doo.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that little ladder.
It probably folds down.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's designed specifically for this car.
Well,
it's not just a random
Comes
ladder.
with it. Comes with it.
You even got the rack kind of peeled to the back so you can attach like your bikes.
Dude, I like this.
Uh-oh.
This is cool.
How do I put a deposit down?
Guys, I think I like this.
Where's the interior?
Which color are you getting?
Oh man,
These are your
I think
options.
you can go color with this. Green looks good.
You go with the green.
Yeah,
This
I might
green
go
looks good.
with the green.
The foresty.
Although the blue looks very,
futuristic.
Yeah,
with the
it's a
stripe.
bit much, but I
There's
like
your
it.
original concept right there. And it's an EV.
Mm-hmm.
Will you be putting your money down today or tomorrow, Willie Doo? Just send it to...
Yeah, send me the website.
Put it in an envelope and send it to Toyota.
Just Toyota.
Yeah, headquarters. And write a nice little letter about why you should be the first to receive it. Did they say anything about availability or if they're even going to make it?
Off-road cruiser we are testing.
A production SUV of this size would offer greater maneuverability on off-road trails than a Rivian R1T or a GMC Hummer EV. Both are quite large. For Toyota, compact electric off-roader also makes a lot of sense to counter models like the Ford Bronco Sport. Okay, I don't know. It's still in concept territory, but you can send an envelope to Toyota if you want.
Okay.